Yeah. This question is on is homogeneous linear equation, and you can look at it. This is a third order differential equation. The highest differential is order three, okay, followed by two, followed by one, and constants. So without wasting time, just want to find the general solution. So in this case now, I've told us that the third differential will be equal to what? 3. The second differential will be what? R squared. Put the attachment there. The first differential will be what? R. Put the differential there. Put the coefficient there. The one that has no differential is just a constant. Just write that value there. Plus 80. That's equal to 0. Then you can begin to pair these two. Okay, since there are 4 terms. Here, R squared is common, so we can have R here plus what? Plus 2. Here, 9 is common. Take 9 out. That will be R plus 2 also. So let's factorize, and you can see this and this are the same. So you're having R plus 2 into bracket what? R squared plus 9 equal to 0. And this implies R plus 2 is equal to 0, which is what? R equal to what? Minus 2, or R squared equal to minus 9. So in that case now, we now have, in that case, R will now become plus or minus square root of minus 9 is 3i. Square root of this minus 9 means root 9 times root minus 1. And then root of minus 1 is complex number, is I. So that's what we have there. So then we can say maybe probably R1 is minus 2. And solution for that is equal to y1 equal to what? B minus 2x. And then solution for this one is a complex root. It's a complex root whereby the real part we don't have is 0. And when you have a complex root, then we can start having second solution, which is equal to what? The real part is alpha. This is equal to 0 plus or minus 3i. The alpha here is what? Is 0x. Okay, cos. The attachment to your I is what we call the beta 3x. So this is equal to what? Cos x. Okay, the third one, which is y3, will be equal to the same thing also, and then sine what? Sine 3x. Okay, so which is what? Sine x. So the general solution for this question is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2 plus c3 y3. And that will be equal to c1 u minus 2x plus what? c2 cos x plus c3 sin x. Okay, so that's that one. That's homogeneous. Yeah, this is a find general solution to the following non-homogeneous second order differential equation. Okay, and we have the equation. Okay, so the first part we do is to get the homogeneous part of the equation. Okay, because when we are talking of general solution will be what? Since it's not homogeneous, then we need to have this value, and then we need to have the particular solution. So let's get the homogeneous part. Okay, the homogeneous part is y minus 2y equal to 0. That's the homogeneous part. Then with that, we can get the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is r squared minus 2r plus 1 equal to 0. Then we can factorize this. R squared minus 2r plus 1 equal to 0. Factorize this one. So pair this one to 2, 1 here, 1 here. 1, factors of 1, 1 and 1. So how do you use your 1 and 1 to get minus 2? That's minus 1, minus 1. And when you multiply those two factors, you get back your plus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay? So that means our R now is equal to each other. This is a repeated root. R1 is equal to R2, which is what? Which is 1. Okay? Which is 1. So in that case now, the general solution for the homogeneous will be equal to your y1 solution your y1 will be equal to e your r is what? Is 1, that's x. Then your y2 is x. So the general solution for the homogeneous is c1 y1 plus c2 y2. So that's general solution. Okay, then the next thing is to get the particular solution for the differential. So we now check now is this one, x squared minus 1, is quadratic. It's quadratic, it's polynomial of power 2. And none of these roots of the auxiliary equal to have any form of this. Okay, this is exponential. Okay, so none of them have this form. So basically, our yp will just be equal to what? It's polynomial of power 2, that will be equal to this plus this plus this. It's going to be also polynomial of power 2. So what we now need to do, I want to use undetermined coefficients. Okay, actually we can use another method. We can use relations of parameters. The choice is ours. Okay, let's get the first differential of this, which will be equal to 2ax plus b. Get the second differential of this particular solution, that will be 2a. Okay, then substitute into this non-homogeneous, which will be equal to the second differential is what? That's 2, okay, minus 2 into bracket first differential, which is 2ax plus b, then plus plus y. Y is just the polynomial plus c, okay, equal to what? Equal to s squared minus 1. Okay, we can try to arrange this according to their coefficients. We have the constant here, 2a. We have also here minus 2b is a constant. You open that, minus 2b. Another constant we have is c. That's 1. Let's say another one. Let's say attachment to x. We have here minus 4a. So x into brackets minus 4a. Minus 4a. Another x is what? Plus b. Okay, plus b. And finally, another one we have is x squared. That's the only one we have here. That's plus ax squared. Yeah, equal to what? Equal to s squared minus 1. So equate coefficient. The coefficient of s squared. Equate that together. The coefficient of s squared is a here. On the right hand side, the coefficient of s squared is what? Is 1. So a is 1. That's one thing. That's 1. Okay, then the next one, can we equate the coefficient of x? Okay, the coefficient of x is what? Minus what? Minus 4a plus b. And the coefficient of x here, you don't have it here. You don't have it here. That's 0. Okay, already we have a. That's minus 4 times a. That's times 1. That's minus 4 plus b. Got to 0. So b is what? B is 4. So we got in a, we got in 4. And then the constant terms. The constant terms, equate the constant term, which will be equal to 2a minus 2b plus c equal to constant term is minus 2. A is 1 minus 2, 2 times 4, b is 4 plus c equal to minus 1. So we have 2 here minus 8 plus c equal to minus 1. So that is c equal to minus 1. This is minus 6 plus what? Plus 6. C is what? C is 5. C is equal to 5. C is equal to 5. Okay? So the particular solution, which is quadratic, ax squared plus bx plus c. Substitute, your a is what? Your a is 1. Then your b is what? Your b is 4. And your c is what? Plus 5. That's the particular solution. The general solution will be equal to what? The homogeneous part plus the particular solution. The homogeneous part is C1 ex plus C2 this, yeah, then plus s squared plus 4x plus 5. That's that on this question.